Hey YouTube, welcome to the electrical part. I am not an electrician. It's gonna be cool because we're gonna have a little first person view today. Let's get to it. Gotta stay hydrated. Today we're going to be putting in, it's a breaker box. Back here is the meter socket. Got a lot of wiring here. Some boxes, some cable things. Ooh, came with some breakers. Didn't expect that. Oh, yeah, it looks like a meter base. Make sure you have a distraction-free work environment. I'm doing electrical. Make sure you guys get you a stack of tires here, lawnmower tires, so you can have your tackle box on top. It's very important for any big job like this one. Nope. Oh, mother. Oh, it does fit. Holy shit. I didn't think that was gonna work. All right, hey, we're halfway there. So according to the code, this has to be a minimum of 4 foot off the ground. This action 4 foot. I don't even know how electricity works. I'm not an electrician. I bought like a box of these when I started renovating my house like 4 years ago. And I didn't mean to get this many. And I have that many left. So let me know what I can do with these when I'm done. The world needs to stop giving me so many options. You know why I bought this fancy boy? Because I'm a millennial and that looked cool. No, it's actually so these can run in and out your depth. Makes it really easy if you're gonna do drywall. Fuck. The inspector guy said I have to use GFCIs. I thought that was kind of rude, considering they're like $20 a piece. In true electrician fashion, I'm just gonna leave this mess here for somebody else. How do they wrap this stuff? Get you a pair of these wire scrimps. You measure like that, and then we get, you know, like this. And little extra, and that's exactly the amount you need right there. Hi-ya! Yeah, that's right. These are stupid. Loosen. Loosen up! Oh man, I knew it. Well, all better now, man. I got myself a baby shark or a daddy shark. Got myself a daddy shark band-aid. We're ready to go. Go for more of these. These pokey things. I left those over there because I'm an electrician now. Junk. Like, who's not gonna use these holes? So why are we stupid?
So now I get to go through and peel each one of these little things off here.
Okay, chuck it up, Chuck. All right, and we are back at it again a week later from last time. And guess what? We get to take some stuff apart. So a super important part about doing electrical is knowing what you're doing. So I gotta take this box off, raise it up. I gotta take this stuff off. This is 1.5 inches. I gotta go to 2 inch. Break that thing loose. Pull that out of here like that. All right. Well, this is actually garbage. It's a homemade didgeridoo. Until it breaks off. Bingo bango. Take this, throw this on the ground, throw that on the ground. Wow. I'm an electrician. I feel like I should probably install that wet. Yeah. Put it on up here, nice and thick. Okay, well, like I said, I got some free holes for bugs, but now it's 2 inch. And it's crooked-ish. Whatever. God. Wow. Not a good didgeridoo. bad people go when they die. Don't go to heaven where the angels fly. I don't have a clue what I'm gonna do. Got some flashing. And some roof and cement. Grenade out! Mark it here. Wires in.